Hey YouTube friends, I wanted to go over just a simple task of soldering a connector on my Volkswagen. Okay, so you have this connector, something you could buy it without this plastic insulator, or you could try to manhandle it, or I just like to light it for a little bit and pops right off. So now you want to crimp it on. Yep. So now that it's crimped, I usually use my strippers to hold it in place. So now that it's in place, finer solder the better. You want to feed the solder into the connector, not the tip of the soldering iron. Don't forget to put your heat shrink on first. Then you'll be redoing that. And that's it. Once you see it melt, you can wait a couple seconds to put the heat shrink on, because sometimes it could shrink prematurely. We don't want any premature action here. Now slide it up. I like the lighter. You could use a heat gun, blow dryer. Thank you for watching.